And just like that, we're back. Welcome to another property tour episode. Today, we're headed to Doral, which is a city a bit further west from where the majority of my other videos have taken place. So instead of seeing a luxury high-rise with expansive views of the bay, as some of you have come to know, this week's tour takes us to the suburbs, which, as you guys know, is a quiet or quieter, family-centered area of Miami. I'm excited because I will be showing you a contemporary 4-story townhouse that includes 4 bedrooms, 3 baths and a half, and its very own private roof terrace, all for $3,300 a month. And yeah, you heard me right, 4 stories and its own private roof terrace. Honestly, it's a steal when you consider the area and the pure value that you're getting for that price. And for those of you who are raising a family, you're gonna wanna stick around because the townhome gives you all the space that you need to live comfortably. All right, so let's head out and let's get started.
You breathing in and out of my
If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Vargas and I'm a residential real estate agent in the Miami area, and every week I post a real estate video just like this one. So if you're interested in seeing more property tour videos to get a better feel for what Miami real estate has to offer, then you're definitely going to want to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you're notified every single week. If you're already a subscriber or you just became one, thank you so much for the support. Now let's continue with today's video. as of late, I've been receiving a lot of feedback on my other property tour videos where some of you have suggested different areas, buildings, and locations that you want to know more about and see videos on. And honestly, guys, it's truly welcome. I've gotten a ton of ideas and a lot of those ideas are in the works, so stay tuned. So if you're watching this video and have a suggestion as to what areas of Miami you'd like to know more about or like to see a video on, then let me know in the comment section below, and I promise I'll do my best to incorporate those videos in the future. Make sure you like this video if you found value, and even if you didn't find value, help your boy out by liking this video anyways, because it really helps me out with YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of the Miami Property Tour community if you haven't done so already. As always, thank you all for the support. Thank you all for watching. Click any of these videos that appear on screen to continue your binge watching of my property tour series. And as always, I will see you all next week.